Welcome to another daily video. In this one, I'm very excited that I'm going to be trying to make lasagna in the van.
Yes, and I'm excited because I'm going to be trying to eat lasagna in the van.
We mentioned it a couple of days ago when we went shopping. We've got some vegan mozzarella, we've got some parmesan, so I'm going to try it. Vegan lasagna in a van with no oven.
Hit all the buzzwords.
Sounds like a good idea. Let's get cooking, guys. Main ingredient for everything I cook is sugar, tons of garlic. So I've got mushrooms, green lentils, onions, lots of tomato and herbs, and that's my first thing I'm going to try and cook. Because I'm trying to do it in this small kitchen, I only have one pan and one frying pan. It's going to be a bit of a weird one. So I'm going to start off with the minced thing, set that to the side, and then try and figure out the sauce and the lasagna sheets. So fingers crossed I figure this out okay. So I'm giving you guys a life hack. Forget van life hack. This is full-time life hack. Next time you're cutting tomatoes, cut them with a bread knife. Like legit. Cut tomatoes with a bread knife. It goes through them so easily. No more of this exploding out the side stuff. And tell me in the comments whenever you do it and realize that it's the best thing ever.
I'm pretty sure you're probably late to the game in here.
Okay, maybe other people have been doing this all along, but honestly, if you haven't,
that's like saying, life hack, wipe your bum with toilet paper.
People don't cut tomatoes with a bread knife. I'd like to think everyone wipes their bum with toilet paper.
You never know.
That's all frying off, cooking up together, but I have to add the very important seasoning, herbs, spices to get it tasted delicious. Our version of an oven in this van is this Omnia Sweden. So it, for anyone that doesn't know, is like this donut shaped tin thing. So I finished the filling. I was about to make the cheese sauce, but then I realized I kind of need to figure out the lasagna sheet situation first. So to save gas, I'm going to try and pre-cook them a little bit. And I'm hoping that means I can also trim them with some scissors to try and make them, you know, circle shaped instead of rectangle shaped. So that's what I'm going to do now. And while they soak, I'm going to start the cheese sauce. This is just the joys of van life. One pan, one pot, and 2 rings. The cheese sauce is cooking. I'm going to try the first layer of lasagna sheets and see how that goes with trimming them.
Oh, hello! I'm still alive. Let me have a taste test.
Okay.
What am I taste testing?
There's sauce like that. Depends if it tastes good. You might want me to stop doing cooking videos if they're gross.
No, it's good.
Pour this cheesy sauce over it. I'm so excited for this. It looks like it's working. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that one. That's a wee beauty. Oh, baby. It may look nice and tidy right here, but I've got a sink full of dishes. I've had to clean this saucepan and frying pan quite a lot of times. We've got tripods, lights, hungry husband, GoPro on a big mount thing. Yeah, this is van life / YouTube reality.
You live in a small space and you try to make videos. This is kind of what it looks like most of the time.
So I just thought I'd let you guys see that our daily videos actually take some effort.
Transparency in its fine, unique form.
I'm really hoping this lasagna works. Do you think it will? I'm asking you.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I don't know. So the problem is you have a tendency to have the heat on too much.
Too high, too high. Okay, let's do that. I'll turn it down low right now. Okay, I've turned it down low. So I'm feeling hopeful. It looked like a lasagna. Only a circle one. Okay, let's let this cook and then see how it goes.
I am ready to be fed. It looks like lasagna.
Not that it really needs more, but I mean, it's definitely really cheesy as it is.
Yeah.
We're definitely on seconds, as you can see. This thing is thoroughly empty.
That is scraped clean.
I mean, it's friggin' delicious.
It really, really is. It's a total. Oh, we've got sweet corn.
I am well chuffed with that.
Gordon would be so proud of you.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Roaring success.
I definitely give it at least 6 out of 10.
You better say at least 7.
10 out of 10. 100%.
Okay, let's get stuck in. So there you guys have it. Turns out you can cook a lasagna in a van with no oven, 1 pot, 1 pan, and an Omnia sleeve.
Colour me impressed. I can't believe that actually worked.
And it didn't take, I mean, okay, let's not lie, it took long. It took long to cook it all separate and then put it all together and then re-cook it again. But I feel
What,
like
an hour and a half?
yeah. I feel like it's worth it.
That's alright.
Yeah, I'm so chuffed with that. That was so good.
I am proud of you. This is a Michelin star van.
Oh, we Michelin Martha. So if you guys have any like recipe requests or something, stuff you'd like to see us try and cook in the van, throw them down in the comments. I would love cooking, so I'd love to try
Hey.
more weird stuff.
That's a really good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, people ask like cook weird stuff and we just like vanify it.
Yeah, tell us something weird to try and cook in the van. Vegan friendly, obviously, and we'll try and do it for fun.
Or if there's something like we could veganify.
Well, we'll be able to
Have I just made a new thing?
veganavanify. Oh my word, you actually have. So somebody said lasagna, and we've just veganavanified that lasagna.
Wow.
Oh my word. Revolutionary. Okay, give us things. Now I want to veganify everything.
Oh dear. Well,
Okay.
I've started something that I'm never going to hear the end of.
No, you're not going to do about everything. I veganified this sandwich. No, wait, veganify. Anyway, right guys, we're going to leave. We're going to leave. What if it's not? What if,
I can
what
make
if they made a BLT that's vanified, but it's not veganify? Right, we're rabid. So we'll leave you guys there and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining us on another day. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, subscribe, all of it really helps us. Final words from the sous chef. Bye.
Why have I forgotten every single word in my vocabulary? Thank you so much. Goodbye.